Hello friends, so today I'm going to tell you about array. Array is also the part of the Python, and if you're doing any other coding like C, C++, Java or any other thing, then this is the very important part of that code. We have two types of array, 1D array and 2D array. In C++, we have one more thing that is called vector. But in Python, everything is combined in array. Either it's dynamic array, 2D array or 1D array. Basically, as you know, list very well, we did it in the last class. So array depends on the list. This is the part of the set, like this tuple, dictionary, and array. All these things are the part of the set. Arrays are used to store multiple value in a single variable. As we used in list, we store multiple value in a single variable. Same we can use with array. But in array, we have to give the length. With the help of the length, you can set the items as per the requirement. Here you can see one example. If you want to mention how different types of car name, then you should mention C1, C2, C3. But in place of this, if you will go with array, then you can just put the variable array and then just give the length so that you can add multiple item in a single variable. And wherever you want, you can call. So array can hold many values in a single name. That is the use of array. We have two types of array, 1D array and 2D array. First of all, I'm going to tell you 1D array, and with the help of 1D array, we can call many items also. How we can do it with the help of one question, I'm going to tell you. So the question is this: write a Python program to create an array of 5 integers and display the array items, access individual element through index. So let's start with the code. The question is this: we have to enter 5 integers and just call one by one or just call anyone. So first of all, because this is array, so we will use here the package name. The package name is from array import start. Array spelling A-R-R-A-Y. From array import start. After that, we will take the variable num equal. Num is the variable of array. So I will type here array. After that, I just want to create the list. So I'm calling here one more variable, that is I. One more time, I'm telling you, num is the variable of array. Now I'm going to create a list. So that's why I have to take one more variable. So I'm taking here I. After that, mention here down comma and put here some values. This is your choice. How much you want, you can mention it that. I have mentioned here 5 values. So as per the question, it is saying 5 integers. So I'm mentioning here 5. Now use for loop for I in num and then print I. If I will do this code, this is the part of array. When I will run it, it will show you the simple numbers. As it merges all these things in a single variable, that is name. What happens if you want to access any one item? So it is saying access individually element. So if it is asking access individually element, then this is not a part of the for loop. So we will do the backspace, come under the for, and then again I'm telling you this is not the part of the for loop. So I will start this coding from here, not here. So we are just mentioning here print num. Suppose I want to call 1. So in the bracket, in the square bracket, I will type here 0. If I will type here 0, then it will call the element 1. And if you want, you can mention here the message first element. And when you will run it, it will show the first element. I'm going to hide this so that you can understand properly. Here I don't want to print all. I just want to print only 1. So it will show first element. If you want to call 5, then this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will mention here 4. You know very well that in Python the number will start with 0. It is showing fourth element 5. Like this, you can create the array and you can uh, call it as per your choice. Now come back to the theory part. Same, the next question is this. In this Python, you can use reverse array, append array, or you can add multiple types of array. One more coding I just want to do with the help of this type of array. So first of all, let me hide it. This is the multi-line command which I'm hiding. The question is this. Create an array of 5 employee name and salary and call second employee. It's a very simple and easy question. So first of all, we will call array from array import star. After that, we will create the list name. It is saying 5 employee name. So I'm just mentioning here Raj, Alice, John, Rohit, Joy. I have mentioned here 5 employee name. Now I will just create the array salary. So we will just type as sal equal array, open bracket, make the list. I'm tweaking here I. It is showing salary 20,000. These are the numbers. So I'm not going to mention it in commas. I have mentioned all salaries of 5 employee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After mentioning all these parts, now what I will do, I will just call it. And how I will call, as you know very well, right now we have done, we are just mentioning here print. It is saying second. So I'm going to type second employee name equal, the variable name is name and 0, 1, second employee name is Alice. So I'm typing here 1. Now same thing I'm going to copy here and the second employee salary. And here the variable name is sal. Now I'm going to run it. Second employee name and second employee sal. So like this, you can create array and you can call as per your requirement. I hope it's clear for you. Now, in the next part, I'm going to tell you append array or reverse array. Reverse array means you have typed the numbers here. And if you want to mention it in reverse order, then simply with the help of dot reverse, you can make the reverse of array. Okay, so let's start one coding with this. Reverse means the number which you have mentioned, it will come in a back order. That is also the part of the reverse. Same, you have done it in list. So I'm going to hide it. Next one is the reverse array. Basically, we needed only 10%, but this is the part. So that's why I'm telling you. I'm going to copy the same thing. Control C and Control V. After that, I'm pressing enter here. And as I tell you that we want it in reverse order, so we will just mention here num dot reverse because this is the method. So bracket open and close. After this, we will just mention here print num. Now it has come in reverse order. If you want that the only number will come, then you can use here for I in num and mention here print I. And it will come in reverse order. After that, the next question, append. Same as list. Python append function enable us to add an element or an array to the end of the another array. Just focus on it, end of the another array. Means you can't add it in between or the second number or the third number. It will always go end of the another array. That is the specified element gets append to the end of the input array. So whenever you want to add any other number, just simply call dot append and just mention the number, then it will come. Here I'm going to use here append also. So I'm going to hide it. And I just want to use append. So I will type here num dot append. Suppose I just want to add number 11. Rest thing will be same. I have changed the function only. Now you can see it is here. So this is the question regarding the reverse and append array. This is the part of the reverse. And this is the part of the append. Remember, it will always come in the last. I'm going to type here. Eleven has added at the end. That's why when we will do reverse, it will come at the top. Rest will be like this. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. So these are the parts of the array. As you do it in the list, same again and again, I'm telling you, 20 array is similar like a list, because in this we can also call at one item, and here we can also. But 2D array is quite useful because with the help of 2D array, you can call multiple items. One more time, I just want to describe the array. I'm going to create here one box. And in this box, I just want to create here few columns. These are the columns. Okay. And in this column, I have divided it 6 parts. And for example, A, B, C, D, E, and F. These are the names of the students. These are in the state of commerce, science, and math. If I want to call the science student B, and what I will call, this is the column number 1 and row number 1. So we will call here 1. Okay, so like this, you can divide 1 and 2. Same 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So with the help of array, you can call like this. I hope this array will be clear for you. Array are used to store multiple value in a single variable, which we have done with the help of few commands. Right now, I have told you 1D array, and in 1D array, I have tell you 3 functions: append, reverse, how to add, how to call, all these things I have told you. So I hope it's completely clear for you. Just do the practice of this, and if it's clear, then just tell me, or if you have any problem, then also just ask me. I will give you the solution. Rest we will do in another class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.